Hello, welcome. Today I'm gonna make a green juice and I want to show you what I'm going to juice. So, here are my ingredients. Spinach, celery, pears and ginger. So, I have just cut all the things into small pieces and now I'm going to start juicing. I bought this Omega juicer because I think the price quality of this thing is really great. Because it is horizontal and it knows how to extract a lot, and still for the price it's very decent. So now I'm gonna juice some spinach. Very good for the iron content. Ginger, anti-inflammatory. If you juice, I recommend using ginger every day because very anti-inflammatory. I never heard about the downsides of ginger unless you take too much, but you know, you'll use ginger every day and you will know how to find your balance. Also I have pear. And I think it's a bit a shame to juice it because it's much more delicious like this, but we need to do this to give the juice a bit more flavor. A bit more sweetness. Especially if you're a beginner with juicing, then it's very important to make sure that your juices are a bit sweet so you can enjoy drinking them. Also, I encourage you to use as much organic products as possible. And my rule for this is that if something has a peel, for example an avocado or a mango, and you don't eat the peel, then it's less important whether it's organic or not. But when you eat the peel, like with an apple or with a pear, then it's very important to be going organic. So what the juicer is doing is basically what the body is doing, and it's saving you work because the body, when you put in the food, digesting, but this machine right here is also digesting it for you, and it's only extracting the juice, which has all the vitamins, minerals and everything, and it will save you for digesting all the fiber. So what you can also do while you're juicing, which is one of my recommendations, is to make enough juice for 2 or 3 days. A green juice can stay good for up to 3 days. The fresher the better, but especially when you live alone, it's recommendable because it will save you on preparing and also on cleaning, because the cleaning of the juicer can take a bit of time, and then it's nice if you have a bit of a supply of green juice. What I also encourage you to do is, while you're juicing, to listen to a podcast or something. So myself, I really love YouTube, and I listen to podcasts while I'm juicing and while I'm cleaning my juicer. So I am both learning and working at the same time. And this is really a good way to maximize your time. And you will not only heal from the inside, but you also heal up there internally, because you will train your brain. And that's a very important part of healing, is education. with the right knowledge. And imagine you're gonna juice daily, and imagine making the juice is taking you 15 minutes, and cleaning your kitchen another 15 minutes. That's 30 minutes in a day. Now, imagine you do that 6 times a week, 3 hours a week. Imagine you do this 1 year, or let's make the calculation simple, 40 weeks in a year. Yeah? 40 times 3. That means 120. That means 3 full weeks of a full-time job, and that's the amount of time that you're going to use beneficially. So I really recommend you learn something. It can be about eating healthy, it can be about living healthy, but it can also be something else, like learning a language, learning about business skills, listening to a podcast. It can be anything. So here we have the celery. Contains a good source of natural sodium. What's also important when you make juices, in my opinion, is combining. So this is really a green juice. Almost all the ingredients except for the ginger are green. Like, it's a bit like with the chakras, you know. It's also good to combine, for example, green with yellow and green with blue. But for example, combining green with red can be a bit strange. But anyway, to combine the colors is really nice. So now we have my green juice. It's finished. And I'm going to pour it in this cup. Now I'm going to drink a bit. Also, I will save a bit for tomorrow. So, I want to say cheers. I hope that you learned something today. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. And I would like to see you in another video. Thank you for watching.